everyone. Good morning, good evening. So this is ARBP Cloud Technologies, and this is our this is our lecture number 5 of Python course. So let's begin. So this is lecture number 5. In the lecture number 4, we have studied about the Python casting. What is Python? What is Python casting? Python strings in Python, and assigning string to a variable. We studied about the multi-line strings also, and this and the different looping through string, check if not different functions, and all this we learned in our lecture number 4. So in the lecture number 5, I have types of strings. What are the different types of strings? Uh, we have the first type is slicing string. You can return a range of character by using a slice syntax. Specify the start indexing and index separated by a colon. For example, we have here get the characters from position 2 to position 5. Let me show you by doing it practically. So come to our PyCharm window. Mhm. So this is our PyCharm window. Okay. So let's define a variable b, which is equals to uh, hello world. Hey, hello, hello world. Mm, yeah. So now we will print. We will use the slicing function here. B brackets 2 from position index 2. This is the index 2. Second E till 5. So let's print it. Here it is printed LO. So this is how we use the slicing function. We have one more type here. It is here slice from start. Okay. In this function, by leaving out the start index, the range will start from the first character of the first index X. For example, we have here B is equals to hello world. So like we have defined earlier, and we will put print brackets B and in bracket colon 5. So from starting till colon 5, it will print whole hello. So let me show you just a second. As you can see here, it prints whole hello. It's so simple to understand. Okay. So now next we have slicing to the end. Means in this function, in the previous one we defined the from we didn't define this start one. It starts from first, but in this we will define where to start, and it will slice till end. So let's do this one also. Mm, right. Let's print it. It will print hello comma world. Simple. Negative indexing. Yeah, we have the negative indexing also. It uses negative indexes to start the slice from the end of the string. From the end of the string. Example, we have get the characters from O in the world, position O, to but not included D in the world, position -2. We will have here from -5 colon to -2. Let's see what prints. It will print world, only world. Now we have the next type is modify strings. Python has a set of built-in methods, methods which are used to modify the string. Like in case you need to type the whole character in uppercase, but you forgot to do that. You can make it print. Like here, let me print b dot upper. This is the function to for upper brackets. Oh no, brackets. Shift. Oh, it will show error because upper spelling is wrong. Hmm. Now it will show it. See, whole thing is in upper. Now let me copy it and paste it here. Now I will make it in lower. Lower. This is for lower. And let's execute it. So see, first it was in upper, now it is in lower. See, it is so simple. Okay. We can we can use this also to remove the white spaces after the actual text, and every often you want to remove this space. Okay, so now we have the replace string. In this method, we can replace a character or whole word or word from the string. Let me explain you how. You can see here. Oh no. Yeah, so I will first let me choose H. Why it is O? Yeah. H, comma, or replace function I have to write here. Yeah. Replace dot replace H, comma, O to W. Oh no, it will not because I have done it in small one. Now it will be done. So here you can see W. It has been replaced with W. Now we have the next function, split function. This method returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes the list item. The split method splits the string into substrings. Okay, so you can use this method also. Mm, yeah. Mm. Split brackets, comma. Now you can see it has been separated with comma. Now we have string concatenation. To concatenate or combine two strings, we can use the plus operator. This plus operator we can use to concatenate or add a string. Let me define a variable a, which is equals to arbp. Just a second. A R B B. We will write the B character, which is equals to cloud technologies. Oh, cloud technologies. And C will be like A plus B. Print C. C. Now, oh, sorry, F10. Here you can see ARBP Cloud Technology, it is printed. Okay. We can do this with the numbers also. Okay, you can do this with the numbers also. Or if you find difficult to do with like this one, you can choose another method which is called F string. Which is called F string. F string is a kind of method in which it was introduced in Python 3.6 and is now preferred way of formatting strings. To specify a string as an F string, simply put F. Let me show you how to do F. A is equals to 378. Uh, B is equals to F brackets India scored. We will do the curly brackets. A runs in test match. F10. So it will not show anything as I have not done. Print one, print B. So here you can see it hasn't printed 378 numbers. So this is a escape character. This character is used to insert characters that are illegal in a string. An escape character is a backslash followed by a character you want to insert. Okay, example of an illegal character is a double quote inside a string that is surrounded by a double quote. Yeah, you will get an error if you use double quote inside a string which is surrounded by a double quotes. To fix this problem, we use backslash character, escape character backslash. The escape character was used to use double quotes when normally would not be allowed. Okay, so these are the string methods. You can read. I will pause for a moment. You can read here. So this is all for today. Thank you and thanks for watching our channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please comment below if you want more videos like this.